Okay, we are videoing today. Repair issues at 305 West 3rd Avenue. This is the living room floor, and this is a spot right beside the door. Let me back up a little bit and start over so we can see exactly where it is. There's the front door. Okay, that almost looks like where a vent used to be, was it?
No.
Okay, so that's not even a vent.
That was a piece of wood that he actually stepped on, and his left leg went down into it.
Okay. All right. Do what you did a while ago.
All right. Well, let's find some spots. There's one of them. You see it right here. That split.
Right.
This one, the piece is completely just falling
Right.
off. Come over here around this area where all the weight's at. And I can't hear it on camera, but you can actually
Okay.
see. Here, in front of the kitchen, this piece is already broken. Already some point.
Okay.
And then this is like this, and this has gotten worse over like the last few months, all the way out.
Okay.
And I think it starts getting more solid about right here, but you can see as I flex my weight, you can actually see this board.
Okay.
Oh, and you have these over here too. I believe this area right here is very secure. That's why the couch is sitting here. That's why we decided to put the couch there. Do I see patio now?
Yep. Okay, Sterling took the benches off because he felt like they were.
No, it fell. It actually,
Oh,
this is the one where I thought about where it actually was sitting here, and he got on, and it just went down. And it's because the wood, if you look at it over top, the wood's rotted, and there was filled with carpenter ants. It's all
Right.
It almost fell in that one.
Okay.
And then over here is the no heavyweight zone.
Got a weight limit on that part?
Yeah, I don't go that way. I don't go that way ever.
Okay. Well, that tells me what I need to know, I do believe. And that's it.